Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechSpress. Today let's get started with Word. So the margins are the frame for your document. Usually get them wrong and your text looks crowded. Get them right and it actually looks professional. I'm going to show you how to use the actual presets, how to set the custom measurement for the specific projects, and the shortcuts to see margins of where you can actually type. Now, to use the margin presets, most people just need the actual quick fix, which is just going directly from the layout into the upper left corner. You can see that here into the upper section we have a few elements that we can use to change this, and you want to go focus into the option that says margins. Now, you'll see the classics normals, one all side, narrow, which is the .5, and mirrored, which is the perfect for double-sided printed into books. So if you wanted to, for example, you can focus for custom margins, which in this case, for example, it will be asking you which is the actual margin. I usually type 2, which is the perfect 2. Go for the option, says OK, and check out how it actually looks. For books, actually, it does look really well. So just click into one and the Word applies it to your entire document instantly. Now, let's create a custom margin. If you need something a little bit specific, click into the margin once again, and now let's type custom margins at the bottom of the actual menu. Here you can type exact numbers. If you're binding a document, use the gutter setting. These add, for example, extra space only into the side where the staple or the spiral will go. So you don't have to change the whole document. You can select this point forward to change margins starting for the current page, and use the same margins for every document. If you're going to be doing this, what you wanted to go for set as default at the bottom, so you never have to change them again. This is going to be really important to take in mind, because you wouldn't want to go focused and doing this automatically, right? Now, the ruler trick fastest method, which is to adjust margins by eye, you might say. You want to enable the ruler under the View tab. So here, just enable the ruler and hover your mouse over the line where the white meets the actual gray, and your cursor will now turn into a double arrow. Check out how it actually looks. Here is, let's say, margin number 1, and the left indent, and go for 1 once again. And here's my margin. I go for 2, and there we go. So I'm gonna stick around with just like this. My top margin will be 1 like this, and the right margin, there we go. Something a little bit more specific. Now, speaking about margins into mobile or web, on the Word application, it's just more easy because you might be seeing the edit icon into your phone. Just go for the layout and you will find the same margin presets, and the process is exactly the same, even into the web version as we use are right here. So remember that if your text looks off, you want to check the margins first, and you're actually good to go. Just in case you are struggling to fit your text, you can watch more videos about how to change line spacing into words and so much more tutorials like this. So with this being said, guys, we have now reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. And well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you well next time.